Bainguinim 1,70,000 square meter government and acquired करपाचो ठरयलो. 2008 हो जागो एक्वायर जालो. जेन्ना हो जागो एक्वायर जालो त्या टायमार हांव स्वता थंय गेल्लो. स्वता हांवें पळयलां की सगळें तें रान आसलें थंय. एक घर तुका त्या टायमार मागीर आसलें थंय सगळो रान आसलो. तेन्नाच आमी म्हणटाले की वन ऑफ द बेस्ट जागो हांव आमकां मेळ्ळा म्हणून. 2021 रिजनल प्लॅनाचेर मार्क केल्लो आसा जागो आमचो. लोक मेळना. लोकांनी जागो आसा सुद्दां ते थंय घेतले. लोक ते रावपाक आयले.
Environmental impact assessment report, which is conducted by India's premier institute, that is NEERI, National Environmental Engineering Institute, and they have come up with a report which suggests that this particular site, which is shortlisted by government, is perfect for putting up this garbage treatment plant.
Have you seen the draft report in toto? It is full of mistakes. It took 3 years' time to submit an EIA report, and that too also data collected for only 1 season. For such a massive plant, you require 3 seasons data.
He said, "अरे क्या पागल?" I quote unquote, "अरे क्या पागल हो गया? इतने सारे रेजिडेंशियल एरियाज आ गए हैं, प्लांट कैसा आएगा यहाँ पे?" So I put my hard-earned money in this project. Government is saying it is a collision between the CCP Panchayat and the builder. How am I to be responsible for this collateral damage?
My first question is to the government. They have not mentioned the water pipeline. There is one existing water pipeline is passing through this project.
If you all are so confident of your technology, your state-of-the-art facility, why was a small 10-ton plant which was supposed to come in a populated tourist area, it was being opposed? It was being opposed at Tonka basically.
The baseline for study, EIA, what I made, the baseline I don't agree with it because the baseline has to be redrafted because there is a lot of change in the vicinity of the project, and the baseline has to be redrafted, and the new baseline, on the new baseline, the environmental impact assessment should be redone.